You happy? Ah. Mayong hapon, mga Inday. It's Inday Palagain and Dudong. Bibe? Oh, that is from Mama. And Sabi. Actually guys, di ba nasa camping site kami, tapos umuwi lang kami sandali kasi lumipat kami ng ibang camping site. Malapit lang din dito. It was 30 minutes, ha?
1 hour.
Going there?
Oh, here. Going there, yeah. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Kasi pagpunta namin dito guys, kumuha ko ng uniform ko kasi may work ako bukas. Namlansya, naligo kami ni Sabi at ni Dudong. Tapos akala niya, sabi ko 30 minutes ng pag-aatin niya dito, 1 hour daw. Nagreklamo siya kasi. Ayun naman, may sun na nga daw. So need na namin umalis. Ay naku. Tingnan nyo, gusto ko pa nga magtupi, tapusin yung tinutupi kong damit. Pero, kasi nagmamadali siya guys. As in. So, yun na. Kaya sa mga magsasabi na, oh, mag-makeup ka naman lang kung panahon dyan guys. Sirok sabi. Gusto niya dalhin yan pero may ano kami, may bike kami na maliit din niya sa caravan. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So guys, yung caravan namin, pinarkang namin dito malapit sa area namin. Yan, lakad lang mga 1 minute. 1 minute talaga. Si Savi guys, pero na-practice namin na walang diaper. So, as in, marunong na talaga siya. Pag pipipi siya, magsasabi siya, tsaka pupupu. So, tipid na talaga kami sa diaper. So, ito yung caravan namin. And, ayan, lipat kami ng another camping site. So, ayan, ganyan ang buhay ni Inday Val. Kaya, tubod. Ayan guys, super init. So, wag nang magtaka if, as in, super itim ko na. Looking relaxed na si Dudong. Kasi grabe, less than an hour lang ako nag-prepare guys sa bahay. Kasama na yun yung ilagay ko sa washing machine yung mga maduduming damit namin. Kasama na yun guys ha. And si Savi, ayun, pinaliguan ko si Savi. Tapos nagreklamo pa si Dudong kasi matagal na daw yun. Oh my gosh. Kasi gusto niya daw maligo sa may lake kasi doon sa pupuntahan namin camping site. Hi guys!
Hi girls! Hello!
Hi girls! Oh, he said hi guys! Hi girls! So guys, nga pala guys, kahapon hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Kaya yung video ko kanina, yung in-upload namin is throwback video lang siya nung first na pagkain niya ng danggit. So, ayun, bakit hindi ako nakapag-vlog? Kasi guys, nasa dagat kami kahapon. And kahit gustuhin ko man, sa likod namin, may nakataples. Tapos, ayan. So, ang daming mga sexing, ayan, katawan. Kaya, hindi na lang ako nag-attempt kasi baka, diba, pag nakita nilang nag-video ako, baka, ayan, sitahin nila ako or what. So, ayan, to be safe, hindi na lang muna nag-video, nag-absent na lang muna sa pag-vlog kahapon si Inday and ayan, nag-relax na lang sa dagat at nagtampisaw. So, magandang beach siya actually, kaya lang hindi kami, kumbaga, tinitingnan namin yung nilalanguyan namin kasi may mga jellyfish. I told them about the jellyfish. So, we are just, you know, be careful.
Yeah.
Not to go somewhere or
this is fun to see.
So, ayun. And ngayon, papunta na kami sa ayan, bagong lilipatan naming camping site. I hope. Pero I'm sure mag-i-enjoy siya because there's also like a lake.
Yeah, but this one is not too deep, so that's yummer because it's hotter last day, so just a bit worried maybe it's too warm.
Yeah, but at least there's water.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
Well, we have trees. That's important.
Yes, ang importante yung paglalagyan ng caravan namin is may mga puno, may mga trees. So, it's not that warm. It's not that hot. So, ayun mga Inday, yung kwento kahapon.
A few moments later.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right.
A few moments later.
Tabog na si Inday. So guys, kararating lang namin dito. So nakikita niyo yung paligid. Doon, ayan may mga caravan din. Ayan yung dalawa. Ayan. Kumakain. Sabi!
Sweaty then.
Sabi! Say hi! Hi!
Well, in 10 minutes we go swimming.
You want Sabi, ha?
Yeah. I don't mind, don't be quick.
Maliligo daw sila after. Sabi ko sila lang daw kasi mainit. I'm gonna prepare all the things here.
But we just stay 2 days, eh? Then 1 day home and then we go to the...
Alam nyo ba guys, 2 nights lang kami
But we'll
mag-stay
leave the
dito.
caravan at the next camping.
So dito, tapos hanggang bukas. Tapos sa Tuesday, we're going back home, ha?
Only with the car. We'll leave the caravan there.
So, ayan, babalik kami sa Tuesday. Tapos sa Wednesday na naman, ibang camping site na naman. Wait, sabi niya, hi guys. What? What's up here? What's up here?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Good job. Hi. Kiss for Papa. Papa and Savi.
So, ayun na nga, balik tayo. Tuesday, balik kami ng bahay. So, Tuesday night na kami makakatulog sa bahay. Tapos, Wednesday, balik uli sa another camping. So, iiwanan namin to so another camping na naman. Actually, nag-book na siya dun. So, yun. Kaya, huwag na kayong magtaka guys kung ganito yung color ni Inday.
Are you there?
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
A few moments later.
So, ayan. Pauwi na sa papuntang caravan na. Si Inday, Dudong, o Dudong Damay. What is Mama? What? What's up, guys? Ayan. I'm proud to be Morena na, guys. Ayan. Parang si Dudong lang. Proud na proud yan siya, guys. Pag tan. So, ayan. Nung nandito ako, natutunan ko talagang i-love yung pagiging Morena ko. Wala na ako kasi sa totoo lang guys, gumagamit ako ng likas papaya nung nasa Pinas pa ako. Tapos may mga lotion pa yan. Di ba alam nyo naman yung mga lotion sa Pinas? May mga pampaputi. So, ayan dito natutunan ko ng hindi gumamit ng mga ganon. Ay, may paborito kami dito. Spare ribs guys. Super sarap ng spare ribs nila dito. Ay, malapit na kami sa restaurant ng camping site nila. Malaki to kaysa sa previous namin na napuntahan. So, ayan, may mga ano din siya. What do you call that love? Chalet?
Yeah. Yeah,
ayan, may mga chalet.
Chalet of star caravan.
Ayan, star caravan. Yung mga, ayan, yung mga nakahilira, mga bahay-bahay, maliliit. Ayan. So, yan. So, pwede ka din mag-rent dyan ng ganyan. Of course, mas mahal siya. Siyempre. Kasi may room na yan sa loob. May kitchen. Ayan, may sariling toilet. Yung sa mga caravan kasi, common yung toilet. So, toilet siya sa lahat. And kaya, pag nasa camping ka, like bukas may work ako, kailangan maaga akong maligo para wala akong kakompetensya. So, ganun. Yeah, go there, Sita. Here, Sita. Here. Sabi. Here. Nee, niet voor ons. Hier, daar zitten. Go daar. So, ayan guys. So, ito yung menu nila. As in ito guys, super sarap. So, yun yung price. Hey! Guys, tingnan nyo. Grabe. Ang dami ng servings nila. So, ayan, patay na naman kami sa pag-ubos nito.
Too much again, eh? We always make the same mistake, eh? Just one? I'm fine with half of it.
Maybe this one. Oh, sige, kakainin na lang muna namin to ng bongga. No, alay nyay. This is need for mama. Alay for ne. There's it out? Yeah.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is...
Alam nyo guys, super scared ako kay Savi. Sa talon-talon na yan, baka gumulong dito. Tapos, ito namang isa. What did you say?
It's a boy, just don't worry.
Palagi yan siya. So, ayan, minsan, yan yung hindi naman away, napapag-misunderstanding namin. Kasi, one time also when Savi was a baby, it was raining. And I was doing Savi's this one. So,
he's always like that. Protecting
he will not be wet. Kasi diba sa Pinas, guys, kahit...
You should feel the rain.
Kahit konting ulan lang, guys.
So he learns what rain is.
Inaano natin, pinapayungan natin kasi baka magkasakit. Sa kanya naman iba. Let him feel the rain.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, now I know.
Yeah, good so.
Baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew.
Oh, maybe it's too high.